Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Miguel back again with another video, and today I have the Apple Watch Series 8 in my hands, which I'm going to quickly unbox and review and give you guys my thoughts on it. The variant that we have today is the 41mm size, which is the smaller of the two sizes, and we have the aluminum midnight case with the sports band included in the box. Now we'll get right into the unboxing, and we get the same rectangular box we've had since the start. No changes there whatsoever. Up top we have our box which contains the actual watch itself, and right below it we have another box which contains the bands. We'll go ahead and open that up first, and as always we do get the option of two different band sizes, which now that I'm looking at, both of them kind of look too small for my thick boy wrists here. Okay, so looking at the watch itself, we get some paperwork on top alongside the charger, which again is a magnetic charger. No changes there either. We have the actual watch, which honestly, kind of now looking at it, it's just too small for me.
That's what she said.
Design-wise, no changes at all this time with the Series 8, which was kind of expected, but we do get the addition of some new sensors and a couple of features here and there. On the back, we have a body temperature sensor, which can be used for better sleep tracking, just monitoring your overall body temperature, and also having more accurate information about female cycles. Now, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the bands, and we'll go ahead and put them on the watch to see just how it looks. The band that we get here is the Midnight Sports Band, which isn't really a pure black color, but it kind of has this very nice dark gray type color, which makes it look even better. I'll take off my own watch here and try to wear it, but before that, if we take a look at the size, it just looks too small for me. I still rock the Series 2, believe it or not, in 2022, and the 41mm Series 8 is just really too small. Overall, the 41mm, I think it's something that should be discontinued. Again, that's just my opinion, but if I go ahead and wear it, yeah, you can see that the band is pretty tight, and I'm wearing the larger size band here, but it just doesn't feel safe enough because it feels like it's going to come off at any moment. Taking a side-by-side look at both of them, you can also see that there's a slight difference in the length of the bands, mine being obviously the bigger band because I do have the bigger size Apple Watch. Now overall, design-wise, pretty much the same thing, which really pissed off a lot of people this time, because as you can see, there's no difference at all. From a distance, it's kind of impossible to tell the difference between the Series 2 and the Series 8, which really, if you think about it, the Series 2 that I'm wearing here came out right like 6 years ago, back in 2016. So yeah, apart from very subtle changes here and there, which 99% of the time go unnoticed, design-wise, there really isn't much of a difference. Talking about what is different this time, there are some useful upgrades here and there, and most of the changes, if we compare to the last year's Series 7, are on the inside. The battery has been enhanced, so alongside with watchOS 9, there is a new low power mode which can take your battery life to up to 36 hours, which really is quite a lot of time. And just like the iPhone 14 lineup, we have the availability of better motion sensors. So apart from fall detection, which was a default feature in the previous Apple Watches, you now also get crash detection, which is an all new feature. And apart from that, you get your usual health focus features, different workout modes, better ECG and heartbeat monitoring. The temperature sensor, as mentioned, is a new feature which helps with tracking female cycles and also better sleep tracking. One thing I did wish it had was the siren feature that we get on the Apple Watch Ultra, and if safety is a big concern for you, I think that is an essential feature which every Apple Watch lineup should have by default. Apart from that, it's pretty much the same. Not a bad watch at all. I'm not trying to hate here, but personally, I do not like the smaller size. It's pretty useless to me. I think the bigger 45mm version is a very ideal size. There obviously is an audience market for this, but it's just not me, and I think this size should kind of be discontinued. But nevertheless, a good watch overall at 1,599 dirhams for the 41mm version and 1,719 dirhams for the 45mm version. If you already have the Series 7, then I wouldn't really recommend you upgrading unless you really need the temperature sensor and crash detection. Then maybe yes, but if that's something that you can live without, the Series 7 is still a perfectly good watch. And if you have something like, let's say, an older Series 4, or like me who's still rocking a Series 2 here, then yeah, the Series 8 is a very good upgrade from that point. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for the Apple Watch Series 8. Just a quick review and a quick unboxing and my thoughts on it. Let me know whether you would or would not buy the Series 8 Apple Watch, or do you think that the Ultra is overall just a better option than anything else? Leave your thoughts down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Yalla, bye!